Hi everyone, and thank you for joining us today for the third and final webinar in our fall series. I'm Rod Hodgman, Vice President of Marketing, and also joining me today is Jeff Klicky, one of our Senior Account Executives. Today's webinar looks at how you can quickly transform paper forms, contact center interactions, or branch office visits into online data collection applications that run on any device. Let's get started. Let's do a quick review of our first two webinars in this series. The first webinar looked at high-impact customer transactions. In this webinar, we examined how the move to mobile devices, mobile applications, combined with the widespread use of social networks, is rapidly changing customer expectations and preferences for online experiences that allow them to quickly and easily do anything and everything online. Here are the important points. Online self-service in the retail industry, the purchasing of music, videos, books, travel, hotel reservations, or other consumer-focused products, is something most of us have experienced at some time. You spend most of your time finding and comparing products, and then once you're ready to purchase, you simply select the item, the quantity, add your billing and shipping information, click submit, and you're done. It couldn't be simpler. However, organizations in insurance, banking, government, education, healthcare, and many other industries conduct business through complex transactions that don't fit the shopping cart model. Like all organizations, their website automates the discovery process, but whenever a customer wants to apply, order, register, claim, or transact in any way, they're redirected to your branch office, your call center, or your website to download, print out, and fill in a paper or static PDF form. This model delivers the most costly experience possible, but more importantly, it's an increasingly alienating experience to more and more customers because today's customers increasingly expect to be able to do anything and everything online from any device. In other words, they want to use the most cost-effective channel you can provide. Our second webinar looked at high-impact employee transactions. In this webinar, we examined how tablet-based data collection for your sales or service organization will have a big impact on critical business metrics such as lowering cost, increasing data quality, and increasing field worker productivity. The important point in this webinar was that there are two clear use cases for tablets in the field. One use case is for sales teams. Tablets are enabling sales forces to sell more efficiently, especially when conducting face-to-face meetings with customers. Part of selling more efficiently is being able to execute high-impact transactions such as customer onboarding, contracts, orders, or other critical processes. The other use case is enabling service personnel to use tablets to collect information in the field. And here there are many use cases, including asset tracking, construction management, field service, fleet management, on-site inspections, and on-site audits, to name but a few. Today we're going to show you how quickly and easily you can create, deploy, and manage SmartForm data collection applications using the SmartForm Factory platform. But first, a word about SmartForm data collection applications. Creating effective user experiences that can successfully guide users through the process means you must leave paper or static PDF forms behind in favor of HTML5 applications that can deliver an optimized data collection experience on any device. Data collection applications are small, self-contained applications that are specifically designed to make electronic data capture quick, simple, and error-free. They support all the elements that any business application would need, such as security, data validation, signatures, presentation logic, business rules, integration of payment systems, and they integrate into back-end business systems. As we'll see in today's demonstration, SmartForm Factory makes it really easy to create and deploy SmartForm applications. But before we go further, I want to point out that most U.S. taxpayers are using SmartForm data collection applications to file their income taxes today. As shown in this graph, last year in 2012, 84% of all tax submissions were filed electronically. An astounding 113 million taxes were filed electronically out of a total of 135 million. Alright, let's talk about the platform. SmartForm Factory is like a web content management system for transactional applications and transactional content. It is comprised of an authoring environment, which is SmartForm Composer, and a transactional content management component, which is SmartForm Manager. In the creation phase, SmartForm Composer is the online forms authoring environment within SmartForm Factory. It provides an easy, intuitive way for business users with no programming or design skills to quickly build powerful HTML, HTML5, or PDF data collection applications that deliver an optimized native user experience for desktops, tablets, and smartphone devices. In the deployment phase, SmartForm Manager manages, monitors, secures, and controls SmartForm Factory's data collection applications. It ensures that all its managed data collection applications are optimized for each device, are secure, scalable, reliable, and deliver a consistent quality of service across all loads. It acts as an intelligent hub, managing all aspects of the customer's transaction with support for various methods of data capture, attachments, digital signatures, and payment gateways. And it provides advanced integration capabilities so that your existing systems can be used as both data sources and data destinations. And finally, at the user interaction level, SmartForm Manager provides several out-of-the-box methods for delivering the right experiences to your users. Our web plugin makes it easy for web content authors to deploy data collection applications on their website. Our self-service portal gives you a complete and customizable portal capability to make it easy to find and interact with data collection applications. And finally, our SmartForm Field Worker app makes it possible for mobile employees to use SmartForm data collection applications in the field with or without a network connection. Let's talk about why we need a platform. The first reason is mobile. Mobile is a whole new world and everyone is scrambling to get up to speed. There are new technologies to deal with, new screen sizes, new interaction models that focus on touch rather than on a mouse or a keyboard, and a whole lot of new skills that are needed in order to make the transition. Our platform makes this all transparent for our customers. Another reason is complexity. Delivering the intelligent interaction patterns necessary for success requires features like attachments, signatures, receipts, partial saves, error correction, online-offline processing and data synchronization, configurable business rules, hide-show logic, automatic field validation, tables, repeating sections, in-field calculations, pre-population and cross-population, inline help, and many other features to make data collection applications a better, faster, and more productive solution for your customers. Another reason is analytics. This might be a little less obvious, but it's no less important. Being able to measure and analyze how the solution is performing is critical. You must have the analytical information needed to continuously improve the user experience for your users. At the end of the day, this is not about technology, but about delivering an effective, engaging user experience that's going to drive business results. And finally, there are risks associated with internal development. Internal development is a long cycle. Most internal data capture development efforts are completed under scope from a feature perspective and well beyond the scheduled timeline. They're costly. All development projects are expensive, but data capture applications require unique, and by here I mean expensive, user interface and user experience skills that most IT departments lack. And they're very risky. There's skill risks, there's the risks of not having the mobile knowledge, there's risks associated with not understanding what the best practices are for data collection applications. And these are just a few of the many risks involved in in-house development of data capture applications that make a platform the attractive alternative. In this case, that platform is the Evoca SmartForm Factory platform. It makes mobile easy, data collection applications simple, analytics available, and it's available today. So now let's go transition to the demo, which is going to be our next video. And in this demo, we're going to show how the SmartForm Factory platform is a complete solution, an end-to-end solution. We're going to show off its agility in the sense that it's aimed for business analysts, not developers. Anyone can create and deploy these applications. Its powerful features with its industry best practices that are included and built into the solution, and its amazing mobile capability where a single design will create an optimized implementation that will run on any device.